Today we're going to talk about fixing cornering light in Mercedes-Benz. It's a feature that happens only during nighttime because that's when the cornering light gets activated whenever you take a left turn or a right turn, or when using the turning signals. And as you can see in this example, this enables the drivers to see more around the corner. So in my car, the moment I activate the left turn signals, it immediately throws an error code to me telling me that, hey, check the left cornering light. Same thing happens when I turn the steering wheel to the left or to the right. So let's take a look how we can fix it. We're going to replace both corner lights and we're going to start with the passenger side. This is not the side where the light is burned because the light is actually burned on the driver's side. But this gives me a good opportunity to show you guys how you can change the bolt on both sides, on the passenger and on the driver's side. Here I'm making some room by removing two screws that holds this cabling, and then we're going to tuck those cables on the side. Take the round cover off by rotating it counterclockwise. And here's a deeper look. And here's a connector that holds the bulb in place. You want to reach down there and rotate that black plastic part counterclockwise. Notice how the metal clip is pointing upwards. It will become important the moment you're going to put it back in place. Once you rotate it just a little bit, it will pop up into place just like this here. And here it is completely out. Now just wiggle it out of place. Very important when you handle brand new light bulb. In order to preserve the lifetime of a bulb, you must wear gloves. Links will be in the description if you want to use the same light bulbs I'm using. And here you just push it back in. Make sure the direction of the metal clip is pointing upwards when putting the light bulb back in place. Okay, now let's take a look at the actual problematic light bulb here on the driver's side. To make some more room, you want to wiggle out the air duct. I also want to point out that this specific car is a 2011 E350 W212 BlueTech. On the driver's side bulb, you repeat the same exact procedure as you did with the passenger side. This one is obviously burnt, as you can see here. And here's the new one back in place. Okay, now it's time to test the driver's side and the passenger side by rotating the steering wheel to the left and to the right. Looks like the job is done and the lights are working perfectly. I hope this video helps you out, and I appreciate for subscribing to my channel and leave some likes and comments. Thank you guys for watching the video.